guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to submit application on behalf of your student. So if you have any students from anywhere, you find a student that wants to study abroad, what you have to do is to log into your affiliate account. I would recommend you do that on the web. There are two ways to submit application. You can either navigate on your left, you see the menu, you have colleges and universities, and you also have new application. You can either, provided you know which university you want to apply on behalf of your students, you can just navigate through new application. Enter the details on this page and proceed by selecting the university. But if you are unsure of which university you want to help to submit application to, it's better you go through the colleges and universities, where you get a chance to filter the university based on countries. So right now I'm going to filter with Canada. As soon as you filter, it's going to show you all the Canadian universities. So let's take, for example, I wanted to help my student to submit application to Umber College. Okay, now I'm just going to navigate to Umber College. You can see some pictures of Umber College admission requirement, which Umber College depends on the study level. You're going to see the document that is required. This is a mandatory document from Umber College for an undergraduate program. For postgrad, these are the requirements for postgraduates. So what you need to do now is also check the courses offered by Umber College, and you'll be able to advise whether the courses is available for your student. Provided you have checked all the profile of the university or the college and you want to proceed and help your student to submit application, all you have to do is to hit Apply Now button. And when you hit this Apply Now button, you have to complete all this information here. Provide all the details from the student. Address is very important. The city where the student lives is very important. And then this country of citizenship, let's say for example is Ghana. And then you have to select the country of residence, because students might be in another country and also live somewhere else and come from somewhere else. So this is just for a test. Sponsor details at gmail.com. I'm just going to put the telephone number as mobile because we need the details of the sponsors, whoever is sponsoring the students, okay, and the country where the sponsor is located, okay. Now what we have to do is relationship of the sponsor is a friend or family, depends on whatever it is. Then you proceed. Now you're going to select a start date for the student, and you're going to select the study level, and it's going to ask you which intake do you actually want. And here you can select all the courses. You are allowed to select up to 3 courses on behalf of your student, and then you click save. On this particular page, this is where you upload all the necessary documents. Required document, mandatory documents, you must upload the mandatory document. There's no alternative option to proceed, and you can upload as many as possible in each of these folders. These are the documents that is required in order for you to get admission on behalf of your students. So the mandatory document is needed. You have to make sure you provide those documents. The optional documents, you can, if you have them, it's good for you to also put them on the system, okay. So without you uploading the mandatory ones, you won't be able to proceed. The active button will only show if provided you've actually uploaded all the necessary documents. Here is the last page where you get a chance to review all the things you've provided, and here you can hit submit, and that's the end. So you've submitted an application. Remember, there's an option to submit application for your student on the platform. You can either navigate to colleges and university or navigate to new application.